So my husband and I are going to leave a review and a little demonstration on this Umanu little stool. It opens and closes like a telescope. You are just going to put your fingers in these two holes, and then on the other side is a little handle, and you're basically going to open it up like you would a telescope, and then of course you can fold it back in. What makes this newest stool so much better than their old ones is the fact that they are reinforced with a triple lock design. So obviously it doesn't just collapse on you if you're sitting on it. This particular stool can go up to 18 inches tall, so it's completely adjustable, and if you have kids, that'll work really well. It does hold up to 620 pounds, and then it does have a little seat cushion. My grandkids love the little cup holder or can holder here that clips on the side, so that's kind of nice to have. Or of course you can throw your cell phone in it as well. Now my husband is roughly 220 pounds and he is 6'2", and he says he's very comfortable sitting there. Both the seat itself and then the bag that it comes in has straps so you can carry them individual. So overall, we absolutely love these, love the brand, love that they've improved their seats. We definitely recommend them. They're gonna be great for traveling if you're going camping or fishing, or just keep it in your car in case there's a baseball game or something and they don't have seating. This would be perfect for that. So we definitely recommend, and really good quality.